got Justin. I'm gonna give you like a minute and a half max. But like, if I see thumbs going up in the crowd, you gotta keep going and going harder. You see thumbs going down, you better be getting down. Alright, so I'm gonna check it. No, hold on. Let's get a jam here, dog. Let's get a jam. Yo, what's up with this? Hold on. What do we got next here? Okay, hold on. Yeah, I'm not sure this is a great song for that. There you go. Oh my goodness. This is a good jam by the Black Keys, man. Okay, so go ahead. Let's see him. This is Justin. He's gonna do his thing, yo. Yo, check him, Jay. He's dancing. He's prancing. He knows how to do what do. He's doing it right. I want it. I need it. Someone said you was dead, and I'm bound to fall. I'm bound to fall. I'm not seeing any thumbs. I'm seeing the thumbs, everybody. Okay, good enough. Okay, that's pretty good. They're digging Justin. They're digging it, Justin. Take my 30 seconds, huh? Let's get going. Oh, I think they call it the Pokemon. The Pokemon. Oh, there you go. It's the backwards Pokemon. She's just looking at your John John Star. That's crazy. He's a wild man. Give him a hand. Give him a hand. Good job, Justin. I think you can get that 20 bucks. Nice work, Justin. You guys can dance like yourself, by yourselves now. If you want to dance like Justin, you can. But if you dance like that, it's called doing the Justin.